That way I can get a picture of their perspection. Wow, that's crazy. I've never really seen a lot of the 21 DDs, so this is cool. Thank you for showing. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Alright, yeah man, sure. So what's your name and what's in here real quick?
My name's Fabian Nichols. I got two DD Z321s on two M5s that I have on each one. 95 amp.
What size again? What's
21s.
Are they like custom or is this?
They're,
Okay.
they're three-piece, carbon fiber, Kevlar, and 95 amp hour C-Max, brand X alternators.
You've definitely done some work to keep it from breaking. So what is your tuning on this port?
I'm tuned to 35.
Okay.
It peaks at 47. It's still currently number 5 in the state for Alabama's Loudest Top 10. It does a 161 and some change.
That's good.
On a burst, and it does right out of 60 on music.
That's good. Also,
Yeah.
congrats. Good job. I'm sure it took a while to get there.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Very nice. And last thing, sorry. Lithium and alternator power.
It's a 95 amp hour C-Max lithium bank and brand X. I got 3 alternators, but the 2 of them are brand X 320s.
I know you mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
Wow, you actually have this hidden in your compartment.
Yeah.
And your amp is
The amps are on each side of the panel.
okay. I'll look at that in a minute.
Yeah, you can look at it when we get done.
Yeah.
Too.
All right. I'm gonna go look at the amps.
Yeah. Pop up at each door.
Yes,
You
sir.
can see it on the side
Okay.
right there.
Is there any way this goes up?
Yeah, come over here. I'll have to do it.
Okay. That way I can get a picture of their perspection. Wow, that's crazy. I've never really seen a lot of the 21 DDs, so this is cool. Thank you for showing me. I'll take a good picture. Your voltage was good.
Hey.
I was going to ask if you wanted me to rev it for that.
No, you ain't got to do that. The alternators aren't even on. What you just listened to a while ago is straight C-Max.
Just to
I
see
got a switch
that.
that turns the alternators on.
Wow. That's awesome.
I appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. You're welcome.
I heard you was going to be here. I didn't know if you was going to be able to sit in every video.
Oh, yeah. I'll try to do my best. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of this insane truck system, a dual 21-inch subwoofer build. I'm really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds and give you a full walk around of it. I hope you enjoyed that. So shout out to everybody watching my videos. This was at the Scraping the Coast show in Mississippi of 2022. So definitely getting to upload it finally after about 6 months of getting some recordings. Shout out to you, man. You did a really good job showcasing the build, and it was a great turnout at the show. So everybody give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you think about his system. These subs are over 3 years old. He mentioned at the end of the video. I figured I'd mention that. So impressive that these subwoofers are still rolling. These are the DD Z3 21-inch subwoofer series. Are rated for 4,000 watts RMS. If you might have to look online to make sure of that, but I'm pretty sure they're rated for 4K. And he has them on 2 8,000 watt amplifiers. They were the DD Audio Digital Design M5s. I looked up online their site showing them as dynamic power of 8 to 10,000 watts, rated at 8K at the 12 volt range. He definitely did a really good job of bracing the roof to the box. As you can see, that brace there goes all the way to the roof. That really helps with the glass not popping or cracking. I'm sure he's blown a windshield before. He had to have for the amount of pressure he's putting out in this. Having the subwoofers at the bottom of the port underneath with the port at the top works really efficient for this type of box layout because it allows all the pressure to flow without worrying about your seats or anything blocking some of that flow. And you'll get to see some fur flex action, adding that fur around the edge of the port. Sometimes people don't realize, but adding these little extra crisps to the enclosure and the design layout helps make things look a little bit cleaner and nicer. And it may not be the most efficient install, but he did a really good job hiding all the wires from the amplifier as well. So anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. Let's go ahead and get to the demo and enjoy.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it. So what kind of frequency is that?
Was just listening to is probably right around between 36 and 40.
Okay. That's really good, man.
47, it'll get
yeah.
pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I'm sitting over here, it'll stuck in my nose plate.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You can smell them a little bit, but they've been playing for 3.5 years. So.
Wow. Thank you very much for the demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.